Hi, welcome to a tutorial of how to control your TV and your home theater using Samsung Watch On. So all you've got to do is, when you first enter the app, they will ask you to select your country or region. In this case, I live in Singapore. And they ask to choose which service provider I'm using. Of course, I'm using StarHub. And you can actually personalize to what kind of genres do you watch? Maybe if you don't watch kids, you can just remove them. Or perhaps you like action and adventure, so you can actually put it up to the top so that they give more priority to action and adventure channels. So let's say you're already happy of which choices you love and you don't like. You can just click next, and they will also ask for your favorite sports. So in this case, perhaps I'll just turn off rugby and perhaps ice hockey. Sorry to the rugby and ice hockey lovers out there. So once you're done, you can just click next, and they'll ask for your age, maybe your and your gender, and you can click done. So they will load to this page for the disclaimer. All you gotta do is just to agree, and you're done. So how does this work with your StarHub cable TV box at the back as well as the TV? Let's personalize that. So all you got to do is click. Let me show you that again. You just click on this button at the top to set the whole thing up. So now it says you can set up your phone to control your TV, Blu-ray, or any other electronic devices. So let's set it up now. Okay, as you can see, there's a list of TV here. Fortunately, my TV is actually LG, and all you got to do is just to point your your IR blaster up here to the TV. Okay, let me adjust my camera to show you how it's being done. So you just have to point it to your TV. Make sure your IR blaster is facing your TV. Okay, so all you got to do is just to press power on. How do I do this to show both? Yep. Okay. Once your TV shuts off, as you can see at the back, that means it's working. So it says, did your LG TV turn on? Yes, this code works. So that means your phone is already synced to the TV. So once your TV is set up, the next item we're going to set up is actually our setup box, which is our StarHub cable TV box. As you can see, it's already been displayed as an option for StarHub TV. In this case, they are asking for make sure you're watching your TV live and tap the channels to change. Again, we have to point our IR blaster to my StarHub cable TV box, and you try to change the channels. Then they will ask again, did your StarHub TV setup box change the channel? No, it doesn't work the first time. So let's click no. So what you do is to send the code again. So let's try. Sorry about that. And again, it doesn't happen. So I shall say no, the test didn't change the channel. So we try again. Yes, this time it changed the channel. So on the third try, I tried this for a few times, and it's always on my third try that the channel works. Okay, let me see whether I can focus this. So on the third try, the code works with the StarHub Cable TV. So you say, yes, this code works. So the moment you have already so-called programmed both the TV as well as the setup box, now you can actually go to the icon on the top right, and you can actually change the volume up or down, controlling your TV, as well as change the channel up and down. So basically that's the setup. Okay, you can also choose other sources. Yep. Oops, sorry about that. So this is actually the main controller, whereby you can actually use the arrows to control your TV settings through the StarHub Cable TV box, or you can control your TV using this. There's other menus as well. As you can see, the TV goes to the menu mode. Okay. You can also add other devices.